You have an order of the day.
We want Mashiach. We want Mashiach. We want Mashiach. We want Mashiach.
You take the tzedakah. Take the tzedakah. That's its entirety. That's what happens.
Yes, Papa Marty, bless you to have good news.
Dr. Grace,
Welcome.
this is my daughter Jessica. She is losing her hearing severely wrong.
You're good enough to bless her to hear all the good things and to go for strength and strength, material and spiritual. Have good wisdom, much.
Take the charge.
That's for your life, also you.
She just left.
But that was good for you. But for your daughter, have good ones about her healthy.
My leg, my knee, I haven't been able to walk properly in 8 months.
Yeah, God Almighty bless you to have it, to have it, the liberty to dance and the hacking of your daughter.
Take the charity. You take this for charity, for tzedakah.
Lord.